This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying account status. Sign in to PSN on a phone or PC to confirm your profile is active and not restricted. Next, make sure your Ps5 system software is fully updated. Updates often fix networking and status bugs. Once done, power cycle the Ps5 and your router, perform a full restart rather than sleep mode. If available, switch to a wired Ethernet connection to rule out Wi-Fi interference during the diagnosis. You need to inspect how the console communicates with PSN. Run the Ps5 internet connection test and check NAT type, latency, and packet loss. Then, open your PSN privacy settings and confirm online status and game/media visibility are set to allow others to see you, change from hidden to anyone if needed. If NAT is strict or moderate, enable UPnP on the router or forward TCP/80/. You finish by forcing account reconnection. Sign out of PSN on the Ps5, then sign back in. If status remains unknown, boot into safe mode and rebuild the database to clear cached presence data, then restart normally. You can also delete and re-add the local user profile or resync via the PlayStation app. If the problem persists, test a different PSN account on the same console to isolate account versus system issues, and contact PlayStation support with your test results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.